In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the winners of the game jam that I hosted like 2 months ago. I'm so ridiculously sorry for how long the results took to come out. It was for like 3 reasons. One, I was feeling too lazy. I'm sorry, I know. Two, I just couldn't decide on like who I should include in the video, because they were all like a lot of projects were really good. Um, and yeah, I'm really sorry, but other than that, enjoy the video, and congratulations if you made it. Alright, so first up, we have NeoNether Survival by Grass Milkshake. So congratulations for making it to 5th place. And the reason this game made 5th place, because, okay, the graphics, I mean, they're pretty nice, you know? It's very smooth movement. The counter is a bit messed up though, so there are a couple of bugs. But yeah, so this is very retro-y, you know. I'm pretty sure there are a lot. This is like, you know, this is like very retro. I don't know how to explain it, but this is very retro-y, you know. So yeah, good job, Grass Milkshake, for making it to 5th place. Okay, up next we got Geo Raids by Bob Bomb 65. Hope I said that right. But so this is a, okay, I actually think I might have to mute this because I don't want copyright. But yeah, you guys can go check this stuff out. But this is like an endless shooter game, right? With a story, of course. So one night, yeah, so there's a pretty cool storyline. I'll skip it for now. You guys can go play this. I'll click play, and basically this is just a classic shooter game. You know, nothing that special, but it's honestly pretty fun, pretty retro-y. There's also 2 bosses, I'm pretty sure, 1 or 2 bosses, which is cool. And yeah, honestly, this is a very cool game. And for that, I give it 4th place. So good job, Bob Man. Oh, I mean Bob 65, not man. Here's your comment, and boom, on to the next game. Next up, 3rd place, we got Geometry Dash Scratch version 3.0 by For Gamer Dev. Boom. Yeah. So basically, this is like an endless runner game. It's like Geometry Dash. Boom. It's got a cutscene and stuff, which is actually very nice. You know, very nice cutscene. I've muted the audio because I don't want to get in trouble with YouTube for copyright and stuff. But yeah, so basically this is like an endless Geometry Dash style game. It's very cool, very nice. And we also have like this flashlight thing for, I'm pretty sure it gets like dark at some points. So yeah, that's why we have the flashlight. And this is actually a very fun game. We also have the music, which I can't show you guys unfortunately. But yeah. So that is Geometry Dash Scratch version 3.0. And here's your comment. Boom. And heart and favorite. Alright, next game. Okay. 2nd place, we got Santa Race by Outglitch. So, this game is actually very simple, right? But the art for this game, is insane. Like a very nice pixel art style. You know, it's a simple, like, I don't know how to say it, like a collection game. Okay, I'm about to die. Yeah. So it's a very fun game. It's just you gotta collect the presents and the hearts and not the bombs. but the art is what really makes it stand out. Also, the nice parallax effect in the back. That is a very, very nice touch to it. And as always, I'm really, really bad at the game. But, we don't talk about that. And, boom. Alright, on to first place. Alright, guys, drum roll, please. First place goes to Ninja Switch Jump by Ninja Cores. And, okay, this game, honestly, this is such a fun game. So, basically, what it is, just a disclaimer, I'm really bad at it. But basically, so you gotta, like, switch your platform, to, like, be able to step on it, right? And, oh my god, I'm so bad at this game. I've beat it once, but, oh, I'm so bad at this. But, yeah, so you have to keep on switching platforms so that you can step on them, right? And then here, you have to, like, turn it off in the middle and turn it back on. So you can go through, right? Boom, boom. Okay. Oh, no, okay, I give up. I'm so bad at this. But this is an insanely fun game. I literally cannot express it. It's just that good. But yeah, so congratulations for making it to first place. I would definitely love to see this game developed even more, with maybe more features or power-ups and stuff. Stuff like that. But yeah. So congratulations Ninja Course for making it to first place. So guys, that is pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy, be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you all in the next one. But until then, peace out.